In Lesson 6 and Lesson 7, we learned that Arabic has 3 short vowels and 3 long vowels. Here is a quick review. Short vowels are small marks that give a quick, clear sound, held for one beat. 1. Fatha gives a short a sound with a slightly open mouth. A. 2. Dammah gives a short u sound with rounded lips. U. 3. Kasra gives a short e sound with a gentle smile. E. Long vowels are letters that stretch the same sound but held for 2 beats. They do not change the sound, they only hold it longer, and they always come after their matching short vowel. They are 1. Alif stretches the fatha a sound to a long a sound with mouth wide open. A. 2. Waw stretches the Dammah sound u to a long u sound with mouth fully rounded. U. 3. Ya stretches the Kasra sound e to a long e sound with a wide smile. E. In English, vowels can be short or long, and their sound often changes. Let's take the letter U as an example. In the word put, it makes a short U sound with lips rounded. In the word cute, it makes a long U sound, but held longer. In the word under, it makes a relaxed A sound. This shows that in English, the same vowel can sound different in different words. However, in Arabic, vowels are simple and consistent. They never change their sound. Now let's see this in action with Dammah and its lengthener, waw, which is our focus today. On its own, Dammah makes a short U sound, like the sound of U in the word put. U. When the same letter is followed by waw, the sound stretches to a long U sound, like the U in the word moon. U. The sound stays the same. It is simply held longer for 2 beats. But just before we learn waw fully, let's refresh the first long vowel alif. When a letter has a short vowel fatha followed by alif, it stretches the sound from a to a, like in the letters ba becomes ba, ta becomes ta, sa becomes sa. Remember, long vowels don't change the sound, they simply hold it for 2 beats. Now let's focus on the second long vowel in Arabic, waw. When a letter has Dammah, short U sound, and is followed by long vowel waw, the sound stretches into a long U sound. Same sound, just held longer for 2 beats. Let's begin with the letter ba. The letter ba with the short vowel Dammah makes a sound bu, short and round, with your lips rounded. Then when we add waw to stretch the sound, it becomes boo, a longer version of the same sound. Let's say it together. Round your lips. Boo. Hold the sound longer. Boo. Again. Boo, boo. Boo, boo. Now with the letter ta. The letter ta with Dammah makes the sound tu, short and round, with your lips rounded. Add waw and it becomes tu, a longer version of the same sound. Let's say it together. Round your lips. Tu. Hold the sound longer. Tu. Again. Tu, 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 tu. Now with the letter Sa. The letter Sa with the short vowel Dammah makes the sound Su, short and round, with your lips rounded. Add Wow and it becomes Su, a longer version of the same sound. Let's say it together. Round your lips. Su. Hold the sound longer. Su. Again. Su, 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 su. Now let's practice all the Arabic letters with short and long vowel. Say each pair slowly. First the letter with the short vowel Dammah, then stretch it with the long vowel Wow. U, U. Bu, bu. Tu, tu. Su, su. Ju, ju. Hu, hu. Khu, khu. Du, du. Zu, zu. Ru, ru. Zu, zu. Su, su. Shu, shu. Su, su. Du, du. Tu, tu. Zu, zu. Ru, ru. Ru, ru. Fu, fu. Qu, qu. Ku, ku. Lu, lu. Mu, mu. Nu, nu. Hu, hu. Wu, wu. You, you. Reminder: Arabic is a cursive language, which means letters are usually connected in a flowing script. Most letters are two-way connectors, meaning they connect from both sides to the letter before and after with a short connecting segment. However, there are 6 one-way connector letters: Alif, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zay, and Waw. One-way connectors only connect to the letter before them. They do not connect to the letter after them, which causes a break in the word. That's why in du, zu, and ru, the letters look disconnected, even though they are part of the same word. Well done! Today we learned how to stretch Dammah with Waw. Next time we will learn how Kasra stretches with Ya. This video is part of the Arabic learning series. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your progress. See you next time.